Hey everybody, AmpRepairGuy.com, also HarbachElectronics.com. Phone number is 203-892-4119. So we have a Al-811 Ameritron amplifier, an older one. Needs a lot done. So this is the very first one where I've seen band switch damage. So I'm going to swap the band switch. Also looks like someone changed the caps at some point. One lead is broken off. They didn't connect it. It's actually broken off. So, swap the band switch, put new mica caps in. I've never seen the coil fail like that. I think it's called air ducts. This plastic stuff must have melted that they used to separate the windings. So I'll swap that out. I'm going to put a new parasitic board in. This has the old setup. Bias modification. Add the string of diodes. The center tap line. Going back to the transformer. Change the So-239's. Clean the relay for the bias and TR switching. Clean the input rotary switch with deoxit gold. Clean the output band switch / rotary switch with deoxit gold. And check the meter protection diode, and then put in gas discharge tubes. This thing needs a lot of work. So I'm going to get started, and I'll see you guys in a long while. Stay tuned. Okay, so I'm back with the completed Ameritron Al-811. This thing was a lot of work. It's late. I'm tired. This is going to be a quick video. First one I've ever had to change the band switch on. Here it is. Took it out. So they also messed with the capacitor values. I think someone worked on this. They just didn't know what they were doing. So change that out. Change the So-239's. They had like no grip. Put high quality Teflon ones in from Max Gain Systems. Nice people over there. So the bias modification. Zip tied the wires, nice. Put the new style parasitic board in. Added the gas discharge tubes at the base of the tube socket. Changed the plate choke, had the wrong plate choke in it, and some of the enamel was damaged on it. It's the new So-239's. Added the diodes on the board. Did not have the metal oxide varistors, so I didn't have to remove those. Added the new coil. Tightened up on hardware. The nut on the back of the air variable cap for the plate tune side was loose. I mean, I could just undo it with my fingers, so loosen it up with my fingers. That's nice and tight. I also tightened up on the screws that secure the air variable caps to the chassis. Compressed the socket clips. Added some heat shrink to the shaft. You know, so if the strap gets too close, it won't flash. We still don't ever want to turn it on with the strap across it. It's most likely gonna go through it. But this was an oldie. I don't know when this one was made. Let's see a date code. But so tested full output on all bands. Also needed a new meter protection diode. I think that's about it. Got a new set of Pentalab tubes. So I am tired. I'm going to bed. So I'm going to upload this real quick, and then I'm off to sleep. So thanks for watching. Oh, one last thing. Also put the longer screw in the base of the plate choke. I always do that. So thanks for watching. Website is AmpRepairGuy.com and also HarbachElectronics.com. Phone number is 203-892-4119. That's 203-892-4119. Please like, share, and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. 73.